Hello and welcome to another update on UEC Uranium Energy. It is a still very bullish chart that we're tracking here. In my interpretation, while there are more bearish alternatives available, I still prefer higher prices, especially as long as the micro support levels on the smaller time frames are holding, which we are going to take a look at. But if things go really well from an Elliott wave point of view, the market should grind higher towards the $20 area next, and then overall $50 to $100 long term is possible. Let's take a look at the shorter time frame, but as you probably have seen on the larger time frame, we're likely in a larger degree third wave. And if we zoom out here a little bit, on the 1 hour time frame, you see that wave 2 bottomed in April, most likely. I mean, pretty much very likely, because afterwards we saw a very, very nice rally and really good performance of uranium energy. And it is an impulsive move up. And so I'm looking for higher prices still. The move to the upside is impulsive. A wave 2 indicates a potentially really meaningful low. And the third wave to the upside should be a 5-wave move itself. But the question is, how exactly will this unfold? For now, my preference is the white scenario. You see basically orange and white. And in the white scenario, we get a more direct move to the upside with only shallow pullbacks along the way. And the microstructure would be as follows. So from the April low, we have another wave 1, wave 2. The wave 3 itself is a 5-wave move. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in circle wave 3, then wave 4, then wave 5. It is at this point not clear to me, and there's no evidence really, that circle wave 4 has even started. I think we could even see some further upside, but I mentioned in previous updates this resistance area around $14.90, $15, which is currently being respected. In the orange scenario, a 5-wave move up is already completed, but it would be too short to be all of the larger third wave, so this might lead to another 1-2 setup. While this would lead to a short-term pullback, it would actually be quite bullish, because again, it would be the opportunity for another large third wave rally to develop. So that would be short-term more bearish, but ultimately more bullish. However, we might not get that luxury of a nice and deep pullback. I think the market is still pushing. There is no sign of exhaustion here. What we talked about in previous updates is the potential that this wave 4 support area could be tested next. It's between $8.69 and $11.62. If that happens, there might be an opportunity for a setup here or for pullback traders, but you see, we are still moving in this price channel. And until we break out of this channel to the downside, I can slightly adjust it. There is no sign at all that a top is in. See, we've even bounced now from the lower boundary line of this channel. And it might even be that this B wave is extending. It doesn't look like that we have an impulse to the downside. Yeah. So I keep the door open for higher prices, but will watch the boundary line here of the trend channel and the last swing lows here around $12.70. Once they break, that might be our indication that we are starting the decline. That's the update on UEC. Hope you liked the update. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.